those are the main three types of Arabic silent letters. There are, of course, exceptional cases. These are specific words carried from historical records and so written accordingly and pronounced in a different way. I'll go through them very quickly, and if you want more details, you can find explanations on our blog. So these are the following words. The 100 in Arabic, mi'a, is written with a silent alif, but which is not pronounced. So it's mi'a, mi'a. We don't say ma'a, we say mi'a, mi'atan. So that's one example. The other is the name Amr, Amr. So Amr has a waw at the end of it, which is not pronounced, and that was mainly done because they wanted to differentiate between the name Umar and Amr. So Umar doesn't have a waw at the end of it, Umar, but Amr, they add the waw just to differentiate it in writing. There's also some of the demonstrative pronouns, ulaika and ulu, have waws in the middle that are not pronounced. So we don't say ulaika, the waw is silent, we say ulaika, ulaika and ulu. And there's also the alif here of the waw of the plural noun for the group. This is also, there's a reason for adding it, this to differentiate it between the normal waw that ending in a vowel. So the more details on these examples, explanations, you can find on documents or in our textbooks on our blog. Why silent letters matter? Knowing and understanding silent letters is very important in order to read correctly. So it helps you maintain correct pronunciation and natural speech. It's very important for improving your reading fluency, so your reading flows smoothly from one word to the next. It's also important for improving or advancing your spelling awareness. So understanding these rules will help you to improve your spelling and your writing skills. Let's practice some examples. So I prepared these 4 sentences, which include silent letters. Please try to guess where the silent letters are in the first sentence. Yes, the waw in the name Amr is silent, and the alif in the definite article attached to madrasa is silent. So as long as it's in the middle of a sentence, the hamzat wasl here will be silent. So this sentence will be read جاء عمرو من المدرسة. جاء عمرو من المدرسة. Try to guess the silent letters in the second sentence. Yes, there's the alif in mi'a, it's silent, and here these 2 words, one ends with a long vowel and the second one starts with a hamzat wasl. So this here applies the weak letters rule. So this sentence is read قرأت 100 صفحة من هذا الكتاب. قرأت 100 صفحة من هذا الكتاب. Try to guess the silent letters in the third sentence. Yes, the alif al-maqsura here is treated like a long vowel. It's silent, and as long as it's followed by a hamzat wasl. And here the lam is a sun lam. Why? Because the shadda is telling us that. The shadda is a sign that this is a sun silent lam. So it's read انظر إلى السماء. انظر إلى السماء. So these 3 letters here are silent and not pronounced. Can you guess the silent letters in the fourth sentence? Yes, there are 2 hamzat wasl in the sentence, the first one and the one in the middle here. Remember the rule, if you start with the hamzat wasl, you pronounce it. But if it's in the middle, it's dropped, it's silent. So how will we read this sentence? We'll say اشتريت كتاب من المحل. اشتريت كتاب من المحل.